What's up, YouTube, man? Hey, today, man, I'm just doing some little slight, man. I'm doing some little slight, bro, but you know what I'm saying? Today, man, my girlfriend is in her sleep right now. She fucking sleep, bro. She fucking sleep, bro. But, hey, man, today, man, I'm doing the sneezing prank on my girl, bro. The sneezing prank on her, bro. So, man, make sure I stay tuned to this, bro. I'm finna act like I'm just finna put something inside the cup, and I'm just finna act like it's just snot up there. I'm finna act like it's just snot coming out my nose, y'all. So I'm finna just like all over her face, y'all. But man, y'all get the point. The sneezing prank, man. I'm finna go crazy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button, man. Please turn on post notification, man. Let me know anything y'all want me to do, bro. Any pranks, anything y'all want me to do. Continue on. It's finna get lit, bro. So make sure y'all stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned, bro. Make sure, by the way, man, make sure y'all subscribe to my other channel, Clashin with Quel, by the way, also, cause that channel need to get up too. I'm almost at 1K. Make sure I'm trying to get to 2K, y'all. But subscribe to the channel, y'all. Subscribe to this channel. Get this channel up too, as well, bro. Cause we finna get lit, y'all. The grind don't stop. So we finna get right to it. Let's go. Achoo. Oh shit.
Wait, what the fuck is that?
I'm sick, bruh. Oh, fuck.
Bro, I'm not playing. I'm hot in a little bit.
I told you I was sick, man. Oh.
I'm dead ass. What the fuck was that? My fucking eye is burning.
You say your eye burning?
Yeah, my fucking eye is burning.
Oh. Let me just talk. You alright? I was sick, bro. Told you, bro. You good?
What the fuck is it?
I told you I was sick, bro. What you mean? What is it? I told you I was sick, bro. It's already, it's not. What else could it be? I'm sick, bro. Oh, man. Achoo!
But I'm not fucking playing. I swear to God, because that shit keeps getting in my fucking eye.
How's it getting in your eye? How's it getting in your eye?
That shit is getting in my fucking ear. I'm not playing.
How's it getting in your eye? How's it getting in your eye?
I'm not playing.
How's it getting? How's it getting? I told you I'm sick, bruh.
Okay, but you ain't gotta keep doing that shit over here.
I'm sick. I'm told you. Really? Man, I don't know. I've been feeling sick all day, bruh. Good. Let me some tissue. Let me some tissue out here. What's wrong with it? Good. I told y'all I was sick, bruh. I told y'all I was sick, bruh. You didn't believe. Didn't I tell y'all I was sick? I told y'all I was sick, bruh. I told y'all I'm not coming with today. I've been sneezing all day. Damn, I guess I ain't feeling this morning. Plus it's cold as hell outside. I don't know, bruh. Then my nose stuffed up. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. Achoo! Oh. You ain't gonna give me a hug or something? Give me any medicine? No Peloton or anything, bro?
First of all, how the fuck did you even get sick? If anybody in this house sick, it's basically me.
I was in front of the fan, bro. And that fan got my nose stuffed up, bro.
Okay, and I've been under a thin ass blanket all night long. I'm the one who felt all the cold.
Bro, I'm sick as hell. I told you I was just sick. You couldn't give me something, some hot chocolate or something. I'm sick as hell, bro. My nose sick. I got a cold too. Oh my God, man. Oh, what's up, bro? Yeah, so what my medicine, babe?
The medicine?
Yeah, bro, I'm sick, bro. Achoo! Thank you. Can I get a hug or something? Like, I'm sick. You made me smell chocolate, baby.
This all getting bad.
You made me smell chocolate?
No.
Why?
Cause your ass, I don't know what the fuck that was, and your ass just put all that shit in my ass.
Bro, it was snot, bruh.
I don't care. I would not did that to you.
It's snot. I couldn't even hold it, bro. I told I was sneezing all day. Oh, I think I need to go to the hospital, man. Oh. Oh. I think I need to go to the hospital, man. Yeah, you can't take me to the hospital or something?
Not like they gonna let me go back there anyway.
Okay, but I'm sick though. And I had a nosebleed too, bro.
You normally wake me.
But
I don't
like I do
sleep
now, I'm really sick. My nose is really stopped up. You go to the hospital or something? Can you call the hospital, please?
Call the hospital because your nose stopped up and you sneezing.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I got the corona though. I'm not gonna lie.
And who the fuck you been around?
But I'm dead ass.
No, who the fuck you been around to catch it?
Alright, I sneeze on you, don't say nothing, bro. I told you, I'm telling
If you got corona, I can't be around you and got corona and I'm finna get ready to have a baby anytime soon.
I'm sick, bruh. Oh, my throat. I can't even fucking swallow. I got strep throat.
And you will magically just get sick in the middle of nowhere.
Bro, I told you, bro. I've been sleeping in front of the fucking fan, bro. I told you that shit, bro. My fucking throat, bro. I'm
How
glad
many
that.
times have you slept in front of that fucking fan before?
Bro, that fan was too close, bro. And it's already cold as fuck in here, bro.
Then you sleep with the fucking cover and blanket over your head. So
My throat. Man, I'm dead. I can't even swallow. Babe, I can't swallow.
how you can't swallow what you talking?
I can't swallow. I'm dead ass, babe. You gotta call ambulance. I'm dead ass. I have to you gotta go get dressed. Faye, go get dressed. Go get dressed. Go put your stuff on, your shoes. Oh, my throat, bruh. Man, I'm dead ass my throat, bro.
You know what's so crazy?
My throat,
If
bro.
you can't swallow, you wouldn't be able to
Man,
talk or
I can't talk, but it's just hurting. It's still hurting. My throat, bro.
As much as I used to be sick,
Like she don't care about me, bro. I'm literally telling her my throat hurt, and I'm keep talking. My shit hurt even more, bro.
okay, go and drink some tea.
You gonna make me some tea, bro? Damn, my fucking throat hurt. I can't. Please, damn. Fucking head hot as hell.
Let me see.
Fucking head hot.
You don't care that ain't hot, nigga.
Man, I'm dead. That's my throat, bro.
Nowhere near hot.
I'm serious, but my throat. Please.
Oh my God, no.
What you about? Oh. Huh? Bro, I told you, snot, bro. I'm telling you I'm sick, bro. You keep saying, you keep worried about what the fuck is in your hair, bro. I'm sick as hell, bro. I'm fucking sick. And you worried about what the fuck is in your hair, bro. It don't matter what's in your hair, bro. I'm sick, bro.
It kind of do matter what the hell is in my head, because that shit don't feel like no snot.
I'm fucking sick, man. Damn, bro. And you still haven't gonna be making your tea. Ah!
You okay?
It's okay, we was just fine, like over a couple of minutes ago. And now he's sick.
You throw up.
Go to the bathroom. Where's my?
In the room.
He in bed.
Wait. Yeah, he's hearing something.
Oh, fucking throat, bro. Man, it was a prank, man. It was a prank, man. Y'all see her, bro. It was a prank, bro.
What the hell did you put on me?
Oh, man. Damn, the 4K, bro. This had me zoom, bro. Oh, my God, bro. Like, can y'all see me? Focus. Bro, I'm tired as hell, bro. Bro, I'm tired as hell, bro. Bro, that was a lit prank, y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? I told you it's finna get hectic, bro. It's finna get hectic, bro. First prank, 2021. Well, it ain't really the first prank. Fucking draws in my ass and shit. Nah, but I was using this 4K, bro. This 4K look decent. Just had you zoomed in a little more, though. But it's pretty decent, though. But, man, that was a little prank, man. Just got your girl, man. Y'all already know I rock, bro. My fucking hell, bro. Y'all, it's early in the morning. Y'all just woke up, bro. I was sleepy as fuck. My hair fucking hell. Just fucked up everywhere. I'm getting my hair done today, though. But, anyway, man, I got your girl, man. Y'all see her, bro. Look at her, bro. Y'all see her, bro. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button, man. Please turn on post notifications, man. Let me know anything y'all want me to do, man. Any pranks, anything, bro, because it's finna get lit, bro. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Go watch our other videos, man. Make sure y'all roll to 2K, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my other channel, man. Clashin with Quel as well, bro. Because that channel finna get lit, too. So, and make sure y'all, this is finna be dropping bangers every day, man. Y'all already know, man. So, I guess I'm out.